Happy New Year! I know it's actually been New Year for a couple weeks already, but it's been a very busy New Year for me so far. I hope you guys are all having a great year. So, for the new year, I wanted to do how to make a mood board, dream board, vision board, whatever you want to call it. How to make a dream board video. I know a lot of YouTubers do this, but this is the first year I've made like a really good quality one, and I thought I'd share it with you guys because it's a really good way to, visualize your goals and have a successful year. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, I just kind of want to explain to you guys what a vision board really is. It's just a way of displaying your goals for you guys. So it's easier to visualize like the goals happening and more likely for you to do them. So you want to choose pictures that are really representative of like what you want to accomplish, and pictures that are aesthetic to you and your style, because if it's pictures that you don't like or aren't accurate representation, you're not going to want to look at it, and then you're going to forget about them and you're not going to do anything with your goals. So the picture, I don't really have like a specific style, but I just chose pictures that were like truly representative of my goals. The idea of a dream board is all based around the law of attraction, and I'm sure you guys have heard YouTubers talk about it before. I personally learned everything about dream boards and the law of attraction from Amber Scholl. She is my favorite YouTuber. I love her so much. The only thing with the law of attraction that I don't like is it seems like it goes against everything that Christianity is. So it's a really cool idea, and I really like it for the positivity aspect of it, but I don't really believe in it. However, I do still believe that dream boards are like a good way of helping you accomplish your goals. So I still like them in that sense. If you guys are confused and want to know more about the law of attraction, I'm not really going to go into it because, again, I don't really believe in it that much, but there are a lot of YouTubers out there who do videos on it. So with that said, now I'm going to show you guys how I designed my dream board and hopefully give you guys ideas and inspiration how to set up yours. So you're going to want to start by laying out all of your pictures, and the pictures can represent resolutions that you have for yourself or goals you want to accomplish this year, or even just hopes and dreams that you have for the year. And I also threw in some inspirational quotes too. And I'm going to show you some examples of pictures that I put so you can get some inspiration for your board. So these are the pictures I chose to show you. And the first one is a picture of working out because I want to get a stronger core this year for golf. The next picture is a picture of Hawaii because I really want to travel to Hawaii this year. That's kind of more of a dream I have. This next one, I photoshopped. Photoshopping is a great way to help you truly visualize your goals. I photoshopped 1,000 subscribers onto my account because I really want to hit 1,000 this year. This one is a picture of when my team won conference for our golf tournament, and it represents that I want to have a good season in college. And then I put my favorite Bible verse, Proverbs 3:5-6, to inspire me for the year. So now I've organized my pictures by group. This one is like resolutions for the year. The one in the other corner is goals that I want to accomplish. Kind of the same, but not really. This one is like dreams, kind of stuff out of my control, but that I really hope for this year. And then this is like inspirational quotes and sayings, and I'm going to probably mix those all in. So I did this off camera, but I organized all of my pictures so they fit. And now at the top in the blank space, I'm writing my word of the year, fearless. So the word of the year idea, I first learned at my church. A lot of my youth group leaders brought that up, and it pretty much just is a word that you want to live your year like. A lot of people choose like patience, faithful, confident, healthy. You know, it's just one word, simple word that represents your whole year. So I chose fearless, as you can see, because I'm not a very confident person. As much as I hate to admit it, I am quite shy and introverted. So this year I want to kind of break out of my shell more, be myself in public more. YouTube is kind of helping me with that a little bit. Also, going off to college next fall is super duper scary. Living on my own for the first time, very full of fear. So I want to go into that being fearless and confident, knowing that I'm not doing it alone. So yes, my word of the year is fearless, and I definitely recommend you guys picking a word of the year. And your pictures don't have to like all be revolved around that word, because I had a lot of different ideas going with my dream board, but that's just kind of like an overall goal of the year, if that makes sense. Now that I have all of my pictures arranged, I am just taping them on with plain old tape. Glue dots or double-sided tape would also work, but I don't have either of those currently, so I just use tape. And I'm overlapping my pictures a little bit so that they fit kind of in a collage format. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple stuff here. And now for the finishing touches, stickers. This part is not necessary, but it's super fun and cute to just dress it up a little bit, make it fancy. So I'm just using a bunch of stickers that I had around the house and kind of matching them with the goal that they represent. And yeah, simple as that. And now that the vision board is complete, I am just hanging it up on a cork board that I had. That's where I stuck up all of my pictures from last year's dream board, but this year I have like a legit one, and so I'm gonna hang it up on that, and that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and learned a lot about dream boards and, you know, visualizing your goals for the year. And I hope you guys try it. If you do make a dream board, please comment down below and let me know, because I always love to hear your guys' opinions and thoughts on things. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video, and also stay tuned with my channel. Don't give up on me yet. I know I don't post as much as I said I was going to, or not post, but upload, but that's a goal for this year, is to try to upload more. I'm so busy, but that's not a good enough excuse. So yes, please be patient with me on that, and I think that's all. I'll see you guys in my next video, whenever that may be, hopefully next week, but we'll see. All right, bye.